Your brain produces a toxin linked to Alzheimer's every single day, and there's only one window to remove it. Every time you sleep less than 7 hours, something accumulates inside your brain, a toxic protein, the same one found in the brains of Alzheimer's patients. And there's only one way to get rid of it. Your brain has a cleaning system. It runs while you sleep, and most people are unknowingly shutting it down every single night. It's called the glymphatic system. Think of it like a drainage network built specifically for your brain. While you're awake, your neurons are constantly working, and like any active system, they produce waste, toxic byproducts, including a protein called amyloid beta. During the day, that waste builds up. At night, when you enter deep sleep, something happens that most people don't know about. Your brain cells physically shrink by up to 60%. That creates space, and cerebrospinal fluid rushes through, flushing the waste out. Your brain is literally washing itself. But this system is almost completely inactive when you're awake, and it only runs at full capacity during deep sleep, specifically slow-wave sleep, the sleep stage most disrupted by alcohol, stress, irregular schedules, and aging. So if you're not reaching deep sleep, the cleaning doesn't happen. The waste stays, and you feel it the next morning, the heaviness, the fog, the words that don't come. That's not just tiredness. That's accumulation. This kind of research is what Cognitive Insight Lab covers every week. If you want to keep up, subscribing takes 2 seconds. Now, what can you actually do with this tonight? 3 things, and you can start all of them today. First, fix your sleep timing before you fix your sleep duration. Your glymphatic system is regulated by your circadian rhythm. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, is the single most effective signal you can give your brain to activate the cleaning cycle consistently. Second, cool your room down. Research shows that a bedroom temperature between 65 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit significantly increases slow-wave sleep. Your brain cleans better in the cold. Third, cut alcohol at least 3 hours before bed. This one surprises people. Alcohol makes you fall asleep faster, but it almost completely blocks deep sleep. You're sedated, not sleeping. The cleaning system never activates. These 3 changes cost nothing. And the research behind them is solid. If you want to go deeper, the full article is linked in the description. It covers the glymphatic system in detail, including what the research says about compounds that support deep sleep quality. If your brain has been feeling slower than it used to now, you know why. And tonight, you have 3 things you can actually do about it. Sleep isn't rest. It's maintenance. See you in the next one.